Morning, class. I'm just going over some basics on Google Classroom. Since some of us seem to have an issue with turning in some of the assignments, I just wanted to give you guys a little visual aid on how to attach things to your work. Now, a lot of you have already turned in the assignments through the Google Docs that are automatically shared with me if you type them in. But let's say you wanted to print it out and you wanted to handwrite something on there instead, and you used Cam Scanner or something to create an image, and that you wanted to attach that image to your work. Now, this is a class that I was a part of back in July for helping use the iPads, and this was one of the assignments that Ms. Davidson made for us teachers during our training. So if I wanted to add something to my assignment and turn it in, you could go to your Google Drive. If you type something in Google Drive and just attach that. If it's a website or something that you're attaching, you could add a link there, or you could just click File. It'll bring up this little box here. And then what you have to do is you have to go to your files. And let's say you made a PDF using Cam Scanner. And so you save that PDF somewhere. And I'm just going to take one from my files here. And I'm going to drop that in. And it'll pop up here, but it's not uploaded yet until you click the Upload button. And then you see that little progress bar. Now it's loading. And then it's attached to the assignment. And then you click Turn In, and that is all you have to do. It'll then ask if you want to use those two attachments. Click Turn In, and there are the two assignments there. Okay, so that way, if you have any issues, you can use that as kind of a guide. If you hand wrote some of your notes already, you can just use Cam Scanner, save a PDF to your Google Drive or anywhere on your computer, and then you can attach that PDF to your work with the assignment in Google Classroom. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, shoot them to me via Remind, and we'll go from there. Thanks.